Hey everybody, so today I'm making a video and we're going to look at all of the Sword and Shield booster boxes, and we're basically just going to go over the price movements for the past month. If you like this type of video, let me know. I'm considering making it a monthly thing where we look at the prices and the market movements. So to begin with, we'll start with base set, Sword and Shield base set. Started the month around $268. We saw it downtick to around $263 and it's back up to about $167.50. So really hasn't moved that much, maybe half a percentage. Rebel Clash we have seen move downwards. Started the month around $227, $226, $227, and now we're sitting around $220. So Rebel Clash lost 2 or 3 percentage points. Next up, we have Darkness Ablaze, which you can see is taking a down spin as well. Started the month around 150, and now we're down to around 146, 147. So again, a couple percentage points lost on Darkness Ablaze. Vivid Voltage is next up, and again, we have seen a downturn. It did kind of tick up to about 138, and now we're down to around 132, so down a couple percentage points as well. Next up, we have Battle Styles. This actually made a move over the past month from $109 up until around $112, $113. And if you actually look at most recent sales, one at 115, one at 114, and today at 120 almost for a sealed unopened box, Battle Styles is actually a set I'm keeping my eye on, and I'm considering buying a couple boxes because this set seems like it's primed to make a little move, especially in comparison to some of the other ones like Darkness Ablaze and Vivid Voltage. As you can see, basically was down for most of the year, hit a low of around $100, and it's been bouncing back since then. That was what? Beginning of February, it was around $100. Now we're up to about 112, 113. So Battle Styles definitely one to keep your eye on. But before we go any further, guys, today I was talking with Abra and he just had a little message for me to send to you guys. So here it is. It's popping up on screen. Yeah, if you can help out our boy Abra, I'm sure he would really appreciate it. Next up, we have Chilling Reign. Chilling Reign's been on a tear for the past month. Started out around $170, $170, $195, and now we're up almost at $210. So insane movement from Chilling Reign over the past month, which it's actually been quite quiet. Obviously, a lot of the boxes we've seen take off recently, there's been a lot of press around them. Chilling Reign hasn't really got that, but as we can see, has made huge moves. What is that, almost 20% or something? So maybe even a bit more. I don't know, quick maths. But yeah, so huge moves from Chilling Reign, very impressive, and I do expect this eventually to overtake Fusion Strike. I mean, again, that's just my opinion. I think when you look at the math, you look at the set, you look at the depth, it makes sense that it's going to be, very close, if not beating Fusion Strike. So it's nice to see Chilling Reign finally start to see some of the progress that it should have. And also, if we look at the most recent sales, yesterday there was one box sold for $220, and today another one for $220. Next up, we have Evolving Skies, which has been on the move as well. Started the month around $639, now up around $686. So 8% move, 7%, something like that. Quick math off the top of my head. It's still going, but as you can see, it definitely is starting to slow down. I don't personally think this is going to be $1,000 box by the end of the year. Some people think that, but I think when you look at the data, it's just not realistic. But hey, who knows? This sort of hobby is funded by the memes almost sometimes in stonks, so it may hit it, you never know, but either way, we are seeing some good growth from Evolving Skies, so that's still nice to see. Next up, we have Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike is up over the month. Obviously, the start of this 30-day period was kind of right at the tail end of its pump, so it started around $197, and we're up to almost $240, $238 almost. But as you can see, for the past couple weeks, it's been fairly flat with a little uptick, so. And again, if you look at prices selling, $240 yesterday, $241 almost, and $3 today at $235. Next up is Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars has been on the move as well. Started the month around $158, and now we're up to around $167. So definitely making some moves. Not surprising that Brilliant Stars is making moves, considering it and Lost Origin are going to be some of the most popular sets, especially once they sell out. And as you can see, basically every day it's selling for $168. $167.95 must be the same seller. So really good to see that Brilliant Stars is making some moves, and I expect it to sell out at some point this year. Astral Radiance is up over the month as well. It started around 139 and now it's up to almost 170. So huge move. Obviously, right around the end of March, we did see it sell out on the Pokemon Center, and that's what's led to this big spike. But before then, it was around MSRP, so fair enough. And we have seen a move. Again, if we look over the year chart, it was slowly moving up. It's surprising that it hasn't gone further. I kind of thought the pump was going to take it a bit further, but still selling around 175 every single day currently. The second to last set, we have Lost Origin making moves as well. Started the month around $160. Now we're up to around $177. So pretty significant move. That's over 10%. And as you can see, there's a huge spike here. And, it's slowly been moving up. I don't expect this to creep much higher if the box is still in stock on the Pokemon Center USA. Once that sells out, we are going to see a move in Lost Origins. So this is your best chance still to get these boxes at MSRP if you guys want to get in. And last but not least, we have Chilling Reign, which is slowly moving up as well. Started the month around $136.5. Now we're almost at $140, so a couple percentage points up. Silver Tempest definitely is going to be one of the slower movers of the Trainer Gallery sets just because it's the final set. There's still a lot of supply on the market. It was a good sign though. Pokemon Center did limit the number of boxes you can buy on the Pokemon Center USA to 4 boxes, so you can't actually buy a case quantity. So I'm not sure what that reads. Obviously, we saw some price increases on eBay as well. I did a video on this. Do I think Silver Tempest is going to do as well as Lost Origin, Brilliant Stars, and Astral Radiance in the long term? No, I don't think so. Potentially could fight with Astral Radiance, we'll see, but it's still going to be a very good box and it'll have decent growth in the future, so it's worth picking up some if you can find it at a decent price. And as you can see today, 2 sales actually over $140 at $142.76, so this box is definitely slowly moving up and is a bit above current market price right now. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'd say the largest player right now is Chilling Reign. Definitely one to keep an eye on for the next 30 days or so to see where it heads. If you guys enjoy this type of short summary video where I just look at all the boxes and the current market price, let me know in the comments. I really want to turn this into a monthly series and maybe do this for specialty sets as well. Look at like ETBs for 151, Crown Zenith, other sets like that, Shining Fates, etc. So if you guys like this sort of concept idea, short video, let me know in the comments down below. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.